In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email pop-up on your Shopify store following the latest 2025 guide. Making sure your store can capture emails effectively is crucial for growing your customer base, and doing it right can enhance engagement and sales. First, let's start by installing a fantastic tool called OptiMonk. If you haven't heard of it, OptiMonk is a powerful app that specializes in creating pop-ups for various campaigns. We chose this tool because of its flexibility and user-friendly design. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Shopify App Store and search for OptiMonk. Once you find it, simply click on the Install button. This will integrate OptiMonk into your Shopify store and set you up for success in creating your first pop-up. Moving on to the next step, let's create your first pop-up campaign. OptiMonk offers a helpful onboarding process when you set up a new account. This feature is particularly useful as it guides you through each stage of creating a campaign. You'll find that this process not only teaches you how to add pop-ups to your Shopify store, but also provides insights into crafting effective campaigns. Follow the instructions in the onboarding to tailor a pop-up that suits your brand's image and needs. Once your pop-up is designed, you'll need to determine who will see the pop-up and when by setting display conditions. This is a critical step because it allows you to target specific customers, ensuring the pop-up appears at the right moment. Maybe you want to trigger it when someone lands on a certain page, or perhaps after they've spent a certain amount of time on your site. Choosing the right display conditions can significantly impact how successful your pop-up will be. So take the time to consider what makes the most sense for your store and audience. Now that you have everything set up, it's time to publish your pop-up on your online store. After reviewing and finalizing your design, activate your campaign by changing its status to active. This action will immediately make your email pop-up visible to your customers on your Shopify store. Remember, you can always return to OptiMonk to tweak or make improvements to your pop-up as you gather insights on its effectiveness. With your pop-up live, keep an eye on the metrics provided by OptiMonk to understand how well it's performing. This information is invaluable for making any necessary adjustments to maximize engagement and conversions. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your Shopify store by adding an email pop-up. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you capture more leads and grow your business.